In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song The Father's House by Cory Asbury with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at the song The Father's House by Cory Asbury. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you'll learn in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro of the song, and I want to start off by just showing you the chord shapes that we're going to use, and then we're going to add a lead line on top of that. So the chords will be right here. It looks like this. Here's an E minor to a D, to a G over B, to a C. So those are the four chords that we're going to be using, but then we're going to add a lead line on top of it. The tab for that will be right here. It looks like this and it sounds like this. So that's the intro. Let's move on to verse number 1. Here we are in verse number 1, and I'll show you the chord shapes that we're using. We're going to be playing an E minor like this, and then a D. Slide that shape down to a C, and then just to your normal G. So those are the chord shapes we're going to be using. We're going to kind of be slapping the strings as we go, so pay attention to that. It sounds like this all together. Sometimes on this journey I get lost in my mistakes. What looks to me like weakness is a canvas for your strength. And my story isn't over, my story's just begun. Failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does. Yeah, failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does. That's verse 1. Let's move into the chorus. Here we are in the chorus, and we're going to be using the same chord shapes that we just used for the verse, but there's a slight change at the end. At the end, we're going to hit this harmonic. It looks like this. Very end of the chorus that's going to happen. So here's what the chorus sounds like. Ooh, lay your burdens down. Ooh, here in the Father's house, check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Into the intro. Here we are back again in the intro part, and it's exactly the same as the beginning, and not only that, but verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1. So with that being said, let's move on to the chorus, the second chorus, and this time we're going to open the chord shapes up a little bit so they look like this. We're going to play a standard E minor to a D, to a C, to a G. So that sounds like this. Ooh, lay your burdens down. Ooh, here in the Father's house, check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and before we get into the bridge, there's just sort of this little instrumental thing, so I'll show you what that looks like. It sounds like this. Play a G, then we're going to a G suspended, then to a G, and then we're going to be doing this, the tabs right here. So coming out of the chorus, it sounds like this. Yeah, you're in the Father's house. Now, whenever we start singing, we're just changing up one thing slightly, and we're adding an A minor in here. So that sounds like this. I'll show you this part, and then we're going to change the chords just slightly again, and then we're going to change them one more time. So I'll take it one part at a time. So prodigals come home sounds like this. Prodigals come home, the helpless find hope. Love is on the move when the Father's in the room. So that's the first part. Now instead of that G suspended, we're going to be playing a C over G in this second half, so pay attention to that. Sounds like this. Prison doors fling wide, the dead come to life. Love is on the move when the Father's in the room. Changing things one more time. The chords are G, and then we're going to go to a C, and then we're going to go up to a D, E minor, back to the D, C, and then G. So that's the chord progression. Sounds like this. Miracles take place, the cynical find faith. Love is breaking through when the Father's in the room. Jericho's walls are quaking, strongholds now are shaking. Love is breaking through when the Father's in the room. Love is breaking through when the Father's in the room. Back into the chorus. Here we are in the chorus, and we're going to play it just like we played the second chorus, where we're playing E minor, D, C, G, and then we're just going to scratch at the end on our guitar, and that'll be the end of the song. So all together, the final chorus sounds like this. Ooh, lay your burdens down. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Ooh, lay your burdens down. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Check your shame at the door, 'cause it ain't welcome anymore. Ooh, you're in the Father's house. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Father's House by Cory Asbury with just you and an acoustic guitar. Thanks so much for joining me. Once again, if you don't know who I am, my name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post practical worship leading tips every single day, mostly over on Instagram and Facebook, so go follow me there, or you can check them all out at my website. But of course, you're here on YouTube, so go ahead, hit subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future covers and tutorials just like this one, and also worship leading tips. Hit subscribe down below. Thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next one, keep leading worship well.